So hello. Today we'll be talking about yung 21 years old has a debt of 100,000. Paano nga ba? So but before I will tell you the story how come this 21 years old nagkaroon able to have a debt of 100,000. Bad debt, no? 100,000 ang utang ng 21 years old na to. But before telling you the story, I will vehicle here. I know it's dirty. This vehicle here, that vehicle over there, that vehicle over there, and yes, those three vehicles. By the way, they are free because before buying vehicle, we really plan for it how that those vehicle will be free. Na hindi kami ang nagbabayad. So they are legally. We keep our taxes instead of giving to the government. That's why those vehicles are free, you know. So again, back to the 21 years old. Bakit nagkautang ng 100,000? Kasi yung kaibigan niya, her friend that is selling a vehicle, so what's the story is, nagsama itong 21 years old na to, and then her friend nagbili ng sasakyan, siya din nabintahan ng sasakyan. So nagbili siya ng sasakyan na 50,000, and then nung nakauwi na siya after 2 weeks, nakita niya yung sasakyan na yun naging that vehicle become 40,000 instead of 50,000. So she calls the dealership, and then sinabi ng dealership na pwede niyang i-trade in. So yung bata na yun, trade in niya ng ibang vehicle, kaya naging 100,000 yung vehicle niya. So mag-ingat po tayo doon sa trade in po. Grabe po ang trade in. Kayo po ang mamulubi noon. So ask yourself before magbili ng sasakyan kung ano ba to anong tawag dito, maging slave ka ba doon sa sasakyan, or you really need that sasakyan. Kung you really need that sasakyan, it doesn't need na tag 1,000 yung per month na babayaran mo doon. Okay, thank you. Again, thank you for Crossroad Angus. Yeah, for giving us the trip today. Thank you, Hannah. Have a good day.